Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another 1 Minute of Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. As you listen to this, head over to ldlcall.com to book your very own 30-minute free LDL power call dedicated to you. Let's speak soon about how working together can get you back on the road and on track to what you want to be chasing down. But first, here is today's quote. Life is too short to be normal. Stay weird. Life is short, life does fly by, and then you realise that your kids are grown up and about to move out. Kids or not, career or not, whatever you choose to do with your time on this planet, be true to yourself and be you. Be crazy, be careful, be adventurous, be what you want to be, even if you just want to be weird. Just try and be the best version of you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.